Hello teachers, in this video we will look at the importance of understanding the mathematical concepts. In this video you will understand why rote learning is harmful to student development and what do we mean by learning with understanding. In many Indian classrooms, when teaching a new mathematical concept, students are taught on how to solve a question. They are asked to remember the steps to solve a question, but this is not going to help students with concept behind the question. But unfortunately, in our Indian education system, this type of rote learning has become a norm. Rote learning does not allow for deeper understanding of a concept. Through rote learning, students are taught not to think. They just follow a procedure to solve a question to get the answer. Rote memorization at early stages of learning can have a crippling effect on the developing brain. Students do not learn how to think, analyze, or solve mathematical concepts. Using only rote learning to teach maths can actually obstruct the basic understanding of the concept and can kill curiosity and deeper learning in children. So it is highly important that we move away from rote learning towards learning with understanding. So what do we mean when say learning with understanding? So for a student inside a classroom, deep and long-lasting learning involves understanding relating ideas and making connection between prior and new knowledge. Whatever the students had learned in the previous grade, they should be able to understand how to build on that knowledge and what they are learning the new concept inside the classroom. So teaching has to be contributing to that aspect of building knowledge. Learning with understanding involves independent and critical thinking of the students so that they are able to transfer knowledge to new and different contexts in their lives. There are some crucial points to remember when we plan our teaching to ensure learning with understanding is happening inside the classroom. Number one, remember new knowledge and skill is built on existing knowledge and skill. So, as educators, we need to establish a connection between them both so that students use what they already know to construct new understanding. So, number two, it is important as educators for us to cater to different styles of our students. Every child learns differently. Some are comfortable listening to the teacher and understand the concept, but some students they require to have hands-on understanding of a particular concept. So it's important that we learn what are the different learning styles of our students inside a classroom so that we can plan our lessons accordingly. The third point to remember while planning for learning with understanding is motivation. A student's motivation to learn affects what is learned, how much is learned, and how much effort will be put into learning process. Motivation is improved when learning tasks are interesting and meaningful and are presented at a proper level of difficulty. A task that is too difficult can lead to frustration among students. At the same time, a task which is too easy can lead to boredom. So it is important to use teaching strategies that encourage conceptual understanding in an effective way that can increase students' interest and at the same time improve their confidence about their abilities to learn. So in the coming videos, you can learn about various strategies that can be implemented to teach mathematical concepts to enhance students' understanding. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.